all of the reds together. Oh my god!
You ready?
Yeah.
Welcome back to our build. We've been working on converting our Ford Transit 250 for the last months, and now it's finally time to install our ceilings and fog lights. We got some cedar planks for our ceiling, and in order to get the best results, we had to prepare the wood first. Alright, I just finished sanding all of my boards, all of my cedar planks. I got 3 packages. I have one ready to go with the stain and everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start staining these ones. We decided to go with espresso color stain and continue with the brown earthy tones. After that, we sealed everything with this product. A lot of adjusting little details in the roof and stuff like that. Also setting up our nail gun and all of that. I think we are finally ready to start working in our ceiling. We're finally rolling and so far it's going super well. We took a break to have some lunch and now we're gonna continue. So yeah, we're stoked. It's hot out here, you cannot believe it. We got caught up yesterday with a couple things, obviously. But right now we're gonna get back to it. We're super excited and fingers crossed. Okay, now we should do some good progress. Day 3. Right now we're gonna get some puck lights up in the roof. We're gonna do some connections. Let's see how it's looking so far. Oh, look at that.
So I guess we just do it right now.
Here goes nothing. Ouch! Ka-ching!
Good?
Yeah. Okay. Ah! Can you? Yeah, all of the reds together. Nuestra primera luz.
saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive.
Oh my god.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so I got black.
We'll find out.
Oh
Oh!
my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Every
Oh
time
my god.
you're away, I long for you so
I
much
love
I
it.
find my way.
Yeah!
Saw you
And the fan's there.
The fan didn't do any
Well, does
noise.
it have a switch? Turn it on, turn it
Usually
off?
does this noise. Ábrelo. Oh.
you'll be the last one I think about.
Yeah.
When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here.
The next day, we really focused in finishing the ceiling, even though we had to do some more adjusting so everything fit flush.
The light and the
Ready?
truth